We're very excited. We feel very, appreciative that we have this new dig. So we invite you out. We want that atmosphere that you guys once had. We want that tradition back.
Hi, my name is Toysha Walker. I am a Lady Lobo alumni, class of 1992, and I'm here with Coach Max Ward, the caring coach for the Lady Lobos. Coach, how are you doing today?
Great. How you doing?
I'm doing well. Hey, what do you think about this new floor?
Well, I love it. I mean, I've put out a few photos about it. We're very excited about it. We had our girls team over here taking some pictures looking at it today. They're very excited about it, giddy, very jubilant. And with that said, I've been here a few years, and I just love that we've already had a sense of pride in our school. I mean, there's a lot to be proud of, legends like this, right? And over the years, success, especially with girls basketball and Coach Aldridge. But now with this is like a point of pride for us, where we can really showcase and shine what we've developed here. And to see what this is the start of and what it'll be for many, many years, we're very excited. We feel very, appreciative that we have this, new digs, sprucing us up a little bit. And we also feel like, it's exciting. The girls excited. We can't wait to get on the floor and play. Volleyball says the same thing. Boys basketball, very excited.
So that's great. So it's like a new beginning for this program, right? So tell me a little bit about the seniors that's going to be here. They're going to get a chance to play on this floor for the first time for their last year. What do you think about that? What is the expectations for them?
Yeah, well, we're returning a very good team. A lot of juniors became seniors. So we got some very talented seniors this year, and the whole team, is kind of growing. And right now, they're excited, obviously. But I do think we're going to shoot a little bit better with the lights. I'm hoping our shooting percentage goes up. And but what a tremendous opportunity for them, for the seniors, the whole team, to have this opportunity to kind of showcase their talents on this new floor with LED lights. Hopefully we have a little excitement before the game, announcing the names and everything. We could do a little bit more of dimming the lights, a little focus spotlight on the girls. I think that's going to give us a very, charged atmosphere around here. So we're hoping to get as many fans out to see the new place, as well as, showcase our girls and let them see if they like our brand of Lobo basketball. I don't know if we're going to be as talented as you guys were, but we're going to definitely work hard, play some very good defense, and see what happens.
We talked about the seniors, but we do have a sensational sophomore that's coming up too. Her name is Maya Ward, your daughter. So what do you think, how proud are you of how she handled being on varsity her freshman year?
Very proud. In some ways, she acted as a leader, even though the other seniors, as well as the juniors, they were the leaders. But she led in a way of just showing up every day, working really, really hard, being respectful, and then also, passing the ball, getting the ball to them, because she knew her role. So that was exciting, from a father-daughter standpoint. It was very exciting. But she's, that was last year. We're moving on to this year, trying to have a great year, sophomore year, like you said. And, her and other sophomores, her and other juniors, we got some new freshmen that are coming in. We're excited about them. And of course, the seniors. So the whole team, the program's moving in the right direction with growth and development from our excellent coaches all working together to develop these girls. So I think we're starting something special here, and we're excited about it.
Awesome. Well, just one last statement. Tell the community, or invite them to come, or what do you think about the community being more involved with attending the games?
Yeah, once upon a time, I know this arena used to be packed. The Coliseum was packed, and we would love for that to happen again. And I realize we got to try to win consistently, like Coach Aldridge did and great players did. But we're putting out a good product. Our girls work extremely hard. We're going to be all over the place playing defense, so the effort's going to be there, and the commitment to excellence is there. So we want the fans, the community, to see what these girls are all about. So we invite you out. Please come on out. I'll shake your hands. They'll shake your hands. We'll say hi, introduce ourselves. You get to know the team a little bit. because we want that atmosphere that you guys once had. We want that tradition back. And I promise you, if you show up, we're going to put on a show.
Thank you, guys. Go Lobos.
Yes, indeed. There you go, Coach. Yes.